Welcome to my kitchen. I got a refrigerator, microwave, toaster, sink, countertops, and counters in my kitchen. I must be wondering that I will try to get in the microwave to heat me up for just a little bit. I might try that. Whatever. I shrinked and I teleported to the microwave. I will heat myself up right now. Here I go. I was trying to press the button. Alright, the microwave is now on. Let's heat myself right now. Oh boy, here goes the very high temperatures of the oven. It seems like I will warm me up faster to a very high temperature for me by rubbing my hands. I will rub my hands the fastest I can. No, my microwave. It's broken. I just overheated the microwave, and I braked it. This is not good at all. It looks like I'm getting rid of the old microwave, and I will buy a new microwave for my kitchen.